Now we're at the U.S. Army side of the vehicle park of the 1st Cavalry Division at Fort Hood, Texas. This is the M60 Patton main battle tank. I don't know what version this is. That's another M60. This is the M60A1 version. And this might be the M60A3. All those square boxes attached to the chassis are reactive armor. What it means is when the tank is attacked by a rocket-propelled grenade or an anti-tank round, if the round hit one of those square boxes, the square box actually explode. It sounds counterintuitive, but the explosion actually directs the energy of the weapons away from the armor. So it's kind of like a one-shot deal. Once the panel explodes, a new panel has to be installed in place. And that's why they call it reactive armor. This is an M48, same chassis as M60, different gun. Then we have the M47. It's a 90mm cannon. There's some type of an engineering vehicle. This one looks to be the predecessor of M113. It's M59. And behind there's M110. 8-inch howitzer. Notice that there's no cover essentially for the crew, and there's a big scoop in the back essentially to prevent the vehicle from backing up when it fires the cannon because the recoil is so large. There's the M109, the early version. The most current version, the Paladin, is still being used today. And this one might be the tow vehicle, or it might be the artillery observation vehicle. I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Oh, it's the artillery observation vehicle. So the turret, the high turret, is surveillance equipment to survey the battlefield and relay it back to the artillery unit. It's the Venerable Armored Personnel Carrier, the M113. Next to it is a Hummer or a Humvee. And this vehicle is the M163 Vulcan anti-aircraft cannon. It's kind of obsolete at the time of its service, but the U.S. Army didn't have anything else, so they had to make do with this one. 1st Cavalry Division U.S. Army Vehicle Park, Fort Hood, Texas.